Hi guys, here's my Christmas gift idea number 6, I believe. Now I did make one that wasn't Christmassy, a little one, and I've lost it. So I don't know where I put it. I showed my sister on Skype and I cannot find it anywhere. I don't know where it is. So who knows where I put it. I probably accidentally threw it out or something like that. But I'll just show you what the idea is. Now this idea came from Septeria, I think, on YouTube. And so I'll link the video below. And it's like a little fun, fairly quick little journal thing that you can make. Now this one I made Christmassy. As I mentioned, the previous one I did not make it Christmassy. However, I cannot find it. So I'll show you what I did, and then I've already prepared the tutorials as to how I made it. Actually, this one, I videoed me making it this time. And so there'll be 2 videos. One I'll upload today, later today, and the other one I'll upload tomorrow. Is it 2? 2 videos, yes. Okay, so this is the little book here. So you can see it here. It's a different way of creating book, which is really, really fun. So basically, untie it here with this trim, and it's glued down here, and then I just put a little tag in there with a big gaping hole because I didn't have my little hole punch and I had to use a big one. So inside it's just decorated like a regular journal. The pages are put on in a very different way, a lot of fun. So I think you should all give it a whirl. So there's just tuck spots, just pages, and then envelopes with little journaling cards in them, backed with that's backed with some of my my letter. And then here's another one. Actually this I had cut like that because I was going to put it like inside a signature, and so it was going to be on 2 different pages. However, it ended up in the middle, so it's actually opened all the way. But you could maybe put a teeny tiny bit of glue down there if you wanted to. But it's a really fun little project. So then here, and I did not decorate everything. This is a postcard. I don't know if I published that postcard or not. I don't know. It's one of those beautiful embroideries from the beginning of the 1900s or the end of the 1800s. Just a Christmas book page, then music paper that's been collaged. This is just a craft envelope, and I left it open, and so there's just this little pocket that I made with scrapbooking paper, and it's got 2 little pockets there with 2 tags, and then a tuck spot here made with a cluster. I didn't open this side, but you could open it. Again, this one was meant to be in a signature, so it's open. It opens all the way through. You could slide things right the way through, so that's why I didn't open it. This is some music paper with a bit of collage on, and then it folds over, and so I created a tuck here, and I used some of my whoops, oh dear, sorry guys, you can see my beautiful tiles there. I knocked it. And then coffee dyed paper on the back. I have to punch out that hole. This flips out. This is a belly band here with a little journaling card, and then you've got some antique German paper, and it had a Christmas tree in it, so I put that in there. I did not scan it, and that's the other side. Love the pens. And then this is a super old book page. It's all just still drying. It's all a bit damp still. So I didn't do anything on there. I just left that. Scrap in there. Beautiful Santa there on this old piece of paper. And then just some of my Florentine paper there. And then you can write. There was a rip, so I fixed the rip. And then that's the back. So that is my little project. Now, of course, you can do these not Christmassy. You can do them with anything that you like. I just happened to feel like doing a Christmas one. I had these pages pulled out. I was playing around with another idea, and then I decided to use them for that idea. So that is the little journal. So I hope you like that. And I will post the video today as to how to construct it. and then tomorrow, just how I decided to embellish each page. I didn't show the tag making. The tag making was simple. They were already made sort of things, and I just backed them with straw paper or coffee dyed paper. So that's a fairly simple process, but it was more, I know that you enjoy seeing more where I decide to put a pocket, yes or no. So that is my gift idea number 6. As I said, by all means, make it not Christmas. Not a problem. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you soon. Bye.